Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I have another really special guest on my channel. I have my other niece. You want to tell them your name? I'll tell them. She's being a little bit shy, but this is my 4-year-old niece, Avery, and today she's going to be doing my makeup. Are you excited?
Yeah. Give it a thumbs up.
She wants you to give this video a thumbs up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
I already have it. I did this.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Do you know what to do first?
No.
Tell them what you're going to do first.
I don't know even what we're going to do.
Let's do primer first. You might want to put it on your fingers. All right, now you're going to put it on my face?
No, it didn't.
Make sure to rub it in really good. Are you going to do a better job than your
I got
sister?
some new. Oh my god. No.
Are you going to do a better job than your sister?
Yeah. I rubbed it in. I rubbed it in.
It's good? All right, so now she's going to do some foundation, right?
I don't even know how to do it this way. I just don't know where we put on the face.
All over the face, yeah. This is where you can use your sponge.
Oh, yeah, I don't know how to. Well. Do I play it?
Put it right here. Okay, then you put it on my face.
Never done that. I think I need to
Do you need a little more?
yeah.
Your aunt likes full coverage makeup.
Oh, that's a lot.
Rub it in really good. Did you get the nose?
I think you should do it.
No, you gotta do it.
I know.
See how you're gonna blend over here? Mm-hmm. Does it look good?
Yeah.
I think you missed some spots. Maybe here a little. Next is concealer. You said you know about concealer, right?
Yeah, but I don't know where to put it. I just know.
Under my eyes.
Under your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Under your nose, like. I've never seen this. I like under.
Now you can blend it with a sponge.
Okay. I hope I don't get it in your eyes. I don't want it in your eyes. Okay.
Did you blend it all in? It's almost blended. You can put it on my eyelid a little bit. Is it good?
Yeah, but it's good.
Okay, so next, powder. You know how to do powder?
Yeah, I want to be like, take a bus.
Yep. Did you get my forehead? Good. Next up, we're going to do some bronzer. So you need another brush.
Oh, right here. Right here.
Okay, dip in there. Do you know where that goes?
I don't know. Wait, on cheek.
Uh-huh.
I got another on your cheek.
Oh, see, you know where to bronze.
Yeah, big pimple. Yeah.
Wait, where do I have a big pimple?
Right there.
That's not a pimple. It's a mole. You thought it was a pimple?
Yeah, it looks like a pimple.
All right, are you done bronzing or are you going to do some more? I think you didn't do any on my other cheek. Wait, you already did that cheek. You need to do this cheek. This cheek. That's the same cheek. This side.
That one?
Mm-hmm, this one.
That one.
No, this one. You get it?
Yep.
Okay, we're going to do some blush. You know where that goes?
Yep, I added.
Can you see it?
I see I need some more.
Oh, next is the fun part. We can do some highlighter. You can use this little brush. Do you know where highlighter goes?
Yeah, I don't know. Where?
On your cheeks, on the top of your
I
cheeks.
don't pull.
Oh, the purple one?
Mm-hmm. Well.
On the top of my cheek.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Well. Are you going to do this side?
I'll
Do this side. All right, so are you going to do my eyebrows?
yeah.
Do you know how to do my eyebrows?
Yep.
Yep. There you go. Put it on my eyebrow. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I can see it.
You want to put a little more?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to do eyeshadow?
Under the.
Okay, let me get you some brushes. All right, you ready to do my eyeshadow?
Yep. I'm gonna do this for the dark one.
The dark one?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the.
All right.
Where the. Cheek.
On my eyes.
Right there. It's getting everywhere. I'm getting everywhere.
That's fine. We can wipe it off. Maybe we can't wipe it off.
I didn't tell so good.
It's fine. Just keep going.
I like different. I need different stuff. I'm gonna do blue. That's not gonna do it powder because no, not even powder. Oh yeah, I need some more. This one was bad. That was bad. That I don't like what's so bad. Like, and then planted everywhere. The planted everywhere.
Does this eye look better?
Oh yeah, it does. Like I get a little bit on the eye, but yeah.
Cute. What do you want to do next?
I'm gonna do.
Do you know how to do mascara?
Yeah,
You know how?
cause I got my own one, and then I know how to do it.
You're not going to poke my eye out, are you?
I never noticed that. I never noticed.
Here, maybe we can wipe it off. Oh. Where's the sponge?
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't. Like I don't know. Like,
Here, so you will hold it, and I'll just blink, and it'll go on my eyelash. Just don't poke my eye out, okay? Is it going on? Okay, let's do the other eye. Okay, ready? Is it good? What's next? My lips?
yep, you will.
What color did you want to do?
I want to go trickle there.
All right, so now she's going to finish off the look with the lips, right? How's it look?
Good.
It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
See the corners need a little bit? What about this corner? Perfect, right?
Yeah.
Now all we need to do is use setting spray. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Don't do too close. I think you got it all. What do you think? Do you like the makeup look you did?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look that she did on me. I think it's pretty good for a 4-year-old. I'm pretty impressed with the lipstick. Don't you think the lipstick looks good?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And also make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Do you want to say anything before we go? No? Yes?
Baby.
What do you want to say?
Make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure I have that all I got.
So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.